guys, I'm so excited. Y'all gave me 14 views. Now, I know what you're saying already. 14 views on K Show. Okay, I know what you're saying. 14 views, that is not a lot. It is for me because it's been a long time since we have even passed even. So, thank y'all guys. And yes, I am going to be posting more K Show videos. And if we get to 40 views, not 40 likes, I mean just 40 views would be okay with me, okay? That's how desperate I am. Okay? If we get to 40 views, then I will post another a Kane Show video. So, to do that, if you're even watching this, I am going to do this announcement on another Kane Show video. So, yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be learning again. I like the other video whenever I did that. And today we're going to be learning. Can pause this real quick. If I can pause it. I don't know. Sorry, I'm trying to see if all this. I don't want to make it too loud. Okay. What I'm doing. Okay. So I guess you can't pause, but I gotta figure out what I'm going to be teaching this time. Because I really liked last time's video. I guess we'll do functions since we just learned functions, but functions kind of easy. Anyways, pre-K stuff. Except different words, basically. And intervals. So, here's the X. And here's the Y. Crap. And here's your rule. Crap. So that's your equation basically. And we are going to put different words down here to help you. So which one is which? Oh yeah. This like the kindergarten thing, like the in and out thing that we used to do in kindergarten. So this one's in and this one's out. So basically, remember in as independent for another word, as in independent variable. So that's another word you can call basically X. Okay. So independent variable. I have itches all over. Very long word. Variable. And I'm not going to do variable on this side now. I'm going to I'm just gonna let you know that this needs right here needs a variable. Okay, this one's dependent variable, but I'm not gonna put variable on there now because that's just too much time. Dependent, and then variable. Okay, so and out, independent, dependent, and also this one is domain, I believe. Oh crap. Domain, I believe it is. And I can't remember this word, so we're just going to put blank because I can't remember it. But the reason why I remember these more is because in and then out right here because the kindergarten. And you already remember that because of kindergarten. And you have that down pat. So, and then you have independent. So, in, get it? In. Okay. So, and then on the end, in. So, in. So, on the X side. Because in and then out. You have to go in the door, in the house, but to go out of the house. So, that's why in goes first. And usually X goes first because X goes first except for Y. So, like the ABCs, X goes before Y. So in, out, independent, dependent, domain, and I can't remember this one. So I have to look that up because I can't remember it, and I have to have it for school. So you don't really need to know this, but that's just extra words you can know to help you. So there is your basically. Oh, we can't go back anymore. Let's go to the Krabby Eraser. I hate this eraser. You know how like the other night I did not like the I didn't like the I didn't like the spray paint thing, and I fell in love with it. Well, that is not the case with the eraser. I just hate it. Okay, so so okay, so we're gonna try. I'm gonna show you basically why you need to do this. Okay, so how do you set this up? I can't remember. Um, okay, let's say y equals 4 times x. Wait, 4 times x plus 1. Okay, we're just gonna say it like this. They give you this, and you're like, what the crap? How do I figure this out? Function table. Draw your function table. That's what you need to do, and then you have all the rest if you know what you need to do. So X, and then this is the rule. So we're going to write down the rule, which is this, the thing that they give you. So usually you have on the X side, usually you have, well, if you have a test and they give you A's, and they give you like 4, 2, you know that 4 is your first number, so you put 4 down. But they don't give you any numbers in this case. So, since they didn't give you any numbers, then usually I just do -1, 0, 1, and then 2. And then you're good to go. So just do that. So right here it says X. Now you have it. So on this line, don't worry about these numbers yet. Okay? Worry about this number right now. Usually I don't worry about these yet. Just worry about the rule. Okay? So whenever you get to one of those letters, then skip them. So Y, don't put the Y. 4, and then replace the X with its number 1 plus. Okay, so there's your equation. You're gonna have to work it out here. I break it down in the space and then erase it afterwards. Or if your teachers are a freako and want you to show all your work, then there you go. Just show all your work. My teacher isn't. Basically, my teacher wants us to do everything in our head. So I just pretend that I do everything in my head and erase it all my work. Cause I have to work it out. I can't just do everything in my head. So you better please know how to do multiplying by negatives and positives. Okay, so if you don't, because you're gonna have to know. Okay, you're gonna learn a song, and it goes like this: same signs add and keep different signs subtract. Take the sign of the largest number, then it be exact. So this is how it goes. Basically, let's do addition first because that's the easy one. We're gonna do 2 and -3. Okay, so same signs. They are not same signs because this one's positive and this one's negative. So same signs, add and keep. This is not same signs. So different signs, subtract. These are different signs, so you have to subtract. Don't worry if it's in the different order, then just pretend like it's 3, but it isn't in this case. It's like 2 minus 3, but you can't do that. So 1 sign of the larger number, and the larger number is 3. So it's -1. So let's show you the different way in addition. So let's say if it's 2 plus -2 plus -3. Same signs, yes, they are same signs. See, negative and a negative. So same signs, add and keep. So 5 crap means basically keep the sign. So keep the sign, which is negative. And there's your answer. -5. So now subtraction. Subtraction is not subtraction is not hard. That's what I meant. Okay, so we're gonna put 5 minus -2. So what I do is I do change. So you change all the middle sign, which is subtraction, to addition, and then the sign of the second number. So the second number sign is negative, so change it to a positive. So basically, 5 plus 2 is 7. That's your answer. And let's do a different. Then is +2. That would be just like normal. It's basically saying 5 minus 2 like this, and y'all know what it is. It's 3. But in this case, if your teacher wants you to learn it like this, then it'd be positive, and then change the sign of the second person, the second number's place, and you do a negative. So same signs, nope. Different signs, subtract. So subtract 3 and take the sign of a larger number, which is this, and that's positive. So +3. And you already know that because pre-K stuff. Easy. So -5 minus 2. Change, and you do addition stuff. So same signs, which is same signs. See? Same signs, add and keep. So 5, 6, 7. So 7, and then keep the sign, and it's -7. And another way, -5 minus -2. Change the both of the signs. Change, and do the addition stuff. Same signs? No. Signs. Yep. So subtract, and you get 3. Take the sign of the larger number, which is 5, and it's negative, so -3. That's how you do it. Now, let's get to this case. Think of it like this: negative, positive, the face. Okay, it looks like a face. So if it's both a negative, both of the numbers are negative, then your answer is positive. Of the answers are a negative and then a positive, it would be a negative. Okay? Think of it like that. So we're going to leave this here to help us later. Okay, so let's say 5. Let's do the equation that we just did. And 5 -5 times -2. So 2 negatives. So on here, circle 2 negatives, 2 negatives. So you marked out all of them except for one, and that's a positive. So that means that your answer is going to be positive. Okay, so, and then you don't worry about the signs anymore. So, and just multiply like normal. So 5 times 2 is 10. And yeah. Okay, let's do another thing. 5 negative 5 times 2 equals, so let's don't worry about this yet, just worry about the signs. So the sign on this number is negative, and the sign on this number is a positive. So circle a negative on here, circle the negative, and circle the positive on here. So mark out all of them, and all you have left is a negative. So that means your answer is going to be a negative. So, and then don't worry about the signs anymore. Multiply like normal. So 5 times 2 is 10. So that's basically what you do. Dividing is the same way. It's the same way as multiplying. Same thing like subtraction is. Subtraction is the same way on addition. It's just, different ways. So 5 divided by two, negative 5 actually. Negative 5 divided by 2. So let's worry about the signs first. And on this side is negative. The sign on this side is positive. So circle negative on here and circle positive on here. Mark out all of them, and all you have left is, that means your answer is coming in negative, and then divide like normal, and you get a decimal. But 5, 2, going here, that would be 2. Here 4, 1. So we're gonna just put this as a fraction because I don't feel like putting this a decimal. 2 be 2.5. Negative 2.5. I'm sorry. Anyway. That's how you do. Okay, so back to here. So, by the way, whenever you see me doing a dot, that means multiplying. So, parentheses, like sometimes you see me doing this, like right here, and that also means multiplying. See me doing this, and that means multiplying. So, okay, so I can do this by head. So the answer is going to be a negative. Multiply 4 by 1, and that would be a negative 4. Crap. So negative 4 is that answer, and then erase it. So negative 4, and then you got that done, and then get this left, plus 1. Do the addition rules, and same signs, no. Different signs, yeah. Same sign, different signs, subtract. So 3 number and 3. So your answer is negative 3 on that one. Negative 3. And then you're gonna worry about this side now. So So 4 parentheses 0 plus 1. So 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 equals 1. So your answer is 1. Crap. Okay, 1. There's 1. Okay, so now you're going to worry about this. Okay, I want to red. Okay, so 4 parentheses 1 plus 1. I made like the easiest equation ever. But 4 times 1 plus 4, 5. So the answer is crap. The answer 5. And then worry about the last one. So that is 4 parentheses 2 plus 1. And that would be 4, 2, which is 8. And that's 9. So your answer is 9. What you would do next is if you had like multiple choice, it would be like A, you -2 and -3. That would be wrong because this is -1. So to help you out, I would go ahead and name all of the ordered pairs. So -1 and then -3. -1, -3. So, and then this is 0 and then 1 because 0, well, crap, that went out of hand. 0 and then 1. And then 1 and then 5. Crap. I don't want to save it yet. 1 and 5. Because 1, 5. And then 2, 9. 2. So these are your answers. A would have to have, not A, whatever your answer would have to have these answers to it. So that is how you do functions. I'm gonna have to skip back as much as possible. Okay. Here, I can do this. It's before. This is way easier. Okay. You know what? Let's just do a new one. Because I don't feel like erasing all this. So, let me see if everything. Okay, everything's doing good. Okay, so. The thing. Okay, one second. Okay, so another thing is you can have something. Let me see if I can remember this. You can have something like um two. I can't remember. Okay, I want to do a different color. Okay, so you'd have something like 214. Have um 5. Almost fives. And 10. Okay, so your equation on this one, y, I want to do a different color. Okay, y over 2, I mean, not y over 2, but y2 minus y1. And then divided by x2, oh, minus x1. Okay, so to know which one is which, like y2 and all that, you have to do this first. So this is the first number. Remember this. So this is going to either have, this is going to have either x or y1. So remember this. This is first, so 1. And this is second, so this one's 2. Okay? So either way, we got that out of hand. This is both ones, and this is both twos. Okay? Now, this is how you know which one's X and which one's Y. So, which one comes first in the alphabet? X, Y, and then 0. So, X goes first from Y. So, X1, crap. X1 and Y1. X2 and wait, I put 2 twos right there. Wait, yeah, that's right. I'm sleepy today. Okay, so x2 and y2. So that's how you know. So you have to have x2 and then subtracted by y1. Y2 minus 1. So let's go ahead and get that. So y2 minus y1. So 10, 14. Oh, Lord. Oh. I picked the wrong numbers. Okay, we're just going to change this as 10 and this one as 14. I'm not a math teacher, so I don't know. So 14 minus 10. So, I know that doesn't look good, but I'm sorry. So we have y2 minus y1. Now we got to get minus x1. So x2 is 5 and x1 is 2. X1 is 2. So now you can either do the intervals like I just showed you, the change, or you can just do it as normal, pre-K style, and do it normal, which is easy way. And I do it normal. So 4, 3. That's your answer. So that's how you do that. Let me see if I can skip this as far as possible. Okay. Hmm. So another thing is function. I can't remember how they set it up. One second, let me think. I don't think I can show you that because I can't remember the how to set it up, but I do know how to solve it. So we are going to um sorry. I got zoned out. Okay, anyway. So okay. I'm just gonna play around right now, and I'm going to x plus 3 3 a divided by you know what? Never mind. I kind of want to do um BFF a little bit because I haven't done it in a long time. I don't know what BFF is. I'm about to show you. BFF on this is bring down wait, never mind, not flip. Find the other number. Find the other sign. Find the other sign, and then flip. So what that means is if you have a fraction, if you have a fraction, and you're equal sign in the middle. If you have two fractions, and you want to divide them, then this is what you do right here. This is easy stuff. I learned this in 6th grade. And I was even advanced those days. But anyway, let's say 7/14. And and you know what? 7 3 6. I made this so easy. Okay. Down. Crap. Bring down means bring down this number. This just stays the same. So 3/14. And then flip sign. Find sign. Find the other sign. That means find the other sign means basically the opposite of division is multiplication. So find the other sign. Okay, and then flip. So flip this sign where the 7 is on top and the 6 is on bottom. So 7 6. And I just look to make sure that you can reduce first before multiplying, because you can multiply straight across if you wanted to, but I just wait and see if I can reduce first. So basically, how to reduce, if you don't know, is you cross and you see, can this be reduced? Yes, it can. 3 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. This is 1 and this is 2. And then you look and you're like, can this be reduced? Oh, yes, it can. 7 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7. So this is 1 and this is 2. So now you can multiply across. 1 4. So 1/4. That way, let's do it the other way, where you're just multiplying across. That was very easy. Let's do it this way now. So 3 times 7 is 21. And sorry, I got zoned out. I don't know this by head. Or try to erase this. Okay. Anyway, so 21 over 84. Able to reduce this by um can you reduce this by 21? 21 times 2 no, I don't know. I don't know, but that's way more complicated than I just showed you. Way more complicated. And y'all know it. So that's how I do it. So, yeah. Um, so I think this has been going on for like I don't even know. But I think I'm gonna leave it right here, guys. Hope you liked it. If you didn't, then I'm sorry. Join me with the other join me to the other one join me to the next one. I can't even think. I'm so tired. So yeah. Yeah, and be sure to go watch that video on the K&A show so we can get like 40 views so we can get another K&A show video. So yeah. days.